Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix a Maytag top-load washer that will not unlock. First, try a power cycle reset. This is one of the easiest fixes. Unplug the washer from the wall outlet. Leave it unplugged for at least 1 to 5 minutes. This allows the electronic control board to fully reset. After waiting, plug the washer back in and see if the lid unlocks. If the lid is still locked, check if there is water left inside the tub. For safety reasons, the washer will not unlock if it detects water. To fix this, select the drain and spin cycle on your washer. Start the cycle and let it run until all the water is removed. Once the tub is empty, the lid should unlock automatically. Next, make sure the washer is not still running a cycle. The lid cannot open while a cycle is active. Press and hold the start or pause button for about 3 seconds. This should pause or cancel the current cycle. Wait a few moments and check if the lid unlocks. Another important step is to look for any error codes. Check the control panel for flashing lights or codes like LF or LID. These codes can give you a clue about what is wrong. If you see a code, refer to your washer's user manual to understand the issue and follow the recommended solution. Thanks for watching.